keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
I love to.
Are you ready for the interview? Yes? What you don't know? You're gonna be fine, Mika. Yes. You're a star.
You're gonna do great, baby. Yeah. Come give me kisses, come. I love you. High five.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute? You better start acting right in this house. You want to live outside? Do you want to live outside?
Can you say, how are you? Can you say, oh no? Say, I love you.
Oh my God! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
You say, okay. Wow, that was nice. Ow, ow. Say, ow, ow. Ow, ow. Ow, ow.
So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're gonna pay that. You do live rent-free here, and I do pay for your food, so maybe get a job?
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
You can't have catnip. You don't need it. You're already crazy.
Oh, sorry.
Man.
Look at her dig. Okay.
Hey, if somebody broke in, what would you do? And you think they would run away? Huh? What would you say? That might do it.
All right, Phil. We almost got 25,000 followers. When you want to say to the people, how about an hour?
Nope. All right. Well, no. Okay.
Okay, leave it. Good, leave it. Good girl. Good. Can I get an hour? Can I get an hour? Thank you. Dismissed.
Baby room.
Maddie, what do you have to say to TikTok? Speak up.
I love you.
Hey yo, Pudgy, my boy Junior here challenges you to an hour off. Yo, show him how it's done.
Let me get an hour.
Go hour. Hour. Come on, Dio. You got it.
Maddie, who do you think will win the Super Bowl tonight? Me too.
3:35 to go.
Hope that everyone has a fabulous night. You say goodnight?
Maddie, I'm pretty sure TikTok ships you and Pudgy.
Reagan, can we get an hour?
Daigos.